Have you ever wondered who invented the 3D printer and how it came to be? Just imagine a world where objects materialize right before your eyes. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating history of 3D printing, meet the brain behind this revolutionary invention, and explore the companies that hold the reins in this tech space. Stick around to discover how 3D printing has revolutionized technology as we know it. The journey of 3D printing began in the 1980s, a time of bright neon colors, big hair, and the birth of a technology that would forever change the way we create. This was the era when a man named Chuck Hull was about to make history. Hull, an engineer and physicist, was working late one night in his lab when he had a game-changing idea. He wanted to speed up the process of prototyping, which at the time was a lengthy and expensive affair. So, he invented a process that could create a tangible object from a digital design. He called this process stereolithography. Stereolithography was the first of its kind, a 3D printing technology that used a laser to solidify a liquid resin, layer by layer, into a physical object. This was groundbreaking. It transformed the way prototypes were made and paved the way for the evolution of 3D printing. Just imagine the possibilities. Suddenly, creating complex designs was no longer a far-fetched dream. It was doable, and it was fast. Hull's invention was a revolution that set the stage for a future filled with 3D printed cars, homes, and even human organs. But that was just the beginning. The world was yet to witness the true potential of 3D printing. From the 1990s to the 2000s, 3D printing technology evolved rapidly. It's a story of innovation, creativity, and pushing boundaries. It's a story that changed how we make things, how we solve problems, and how we view the world of manufacturing. This period was marked by the emergence of novel techniques such as fused deposition modeling, or FDM, and selective laser sintering, or SLS. FDM, invented by Scott Crump, revolutionized the industry. It works by heating and extruding a thermoplastic filament, which is then layered to create three-dimensional objects. SLS, on the other hand, uses a high-power laser to fuse small particles of plastic, metal, ceramic, or glass powders into a mass that has the desired three-dimensional shape. These methods expanded the possibilities of 3D printing, allowing for more complex designs and the use of a wider range of materials. But advancements in technology are often driven by companies, and in the case of 3D printing, two companies stand out: Stratasys and 3D Systems. Stratasys, founded by the inventor of FDM, Scott Crump, has been a key player in bringing 3D printing to the mainstream. They have developed a variety of printers, from desktop models for personal use to large industrial systems for manufacturing. 3D Systems, founded by Chuck Hull, the inventor of the first 3D printing process called stereolithography, has also made significant contributions. They have consistently pushed the envelope, developing faster, more efficient printers, and a broad array of materials to print with. These companies, along with many others, have played a crucial role in the adoption of 3D printing across various industries. From automotive to healthcare, from architecture to fashion, 3D printing has become an integral tool, transforming traditional processes and enabling unprecedented levels of customization. And just like that, 3D printing became an integral part of various industries. It's not just a technology, it's a new way of thinking, a new way of creating, and a new way of solving problems. And the journey is far from over. With each passing year, 3D printing continues to evolve, promising a future where our imaginations are the only limit to what we can create. Today, 3D printing is more than just a technological marvel. It's a revolution reshaping our world. From healthcare, where it's being used to create custom prosthetics and bioprint human tissues, to manufacturing, where it's changing the game with on-demand production of complex parts. Even in the world of fashion, 3D printing is making waves with bespoke designs that were previously unimaginable. This isn't just a passing trend, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry that continues to grow each year. The potential is vast, with endless possibilities for innovation and advancement. Imagine a world where you can print your own clothes at home, or where life-saving medical equipment can be produced on-site in remote locations. The future of 3D printing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of 3D printing, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content.